Sweet. Hi everybody, I'm Eugene from the Bread Republic.
And I'm Eugene from Bread Republic. Welcome.
Welcome. Today we've made some bread, obviously. Eugene will talk you through it.
So the first one we have is a seeded bloomer. So I know some of the Afrikaans people are crying of laughter now because a bloomer in Afrikaans is something weird. This is a bloomer because the bread has bloomed. And this is our 30% spelt. Spelt is a very old flour that we use. It's so old it rotted. No, I'm just joking. It's a 3,000-year-old
ancient grain.
Ancient grain.
Heritage grain.
That we did with our spelt. And then we have our specialty butternut bloomer. So we use the butternut puree to make that beautiful bread.
And then we have our ciabatta for today. So we'll cut one open for you. So Bread Republic, we are an artisan sourdough bread bakery in Vanderbijl Park, South Africa.
That's beautiful, man.
And our next batch is just coming out the oven. Eugene will unload, or I'm not sure what he's doing. He's moving them around.
Oh yes, oh yes. Check.
Beautiful, beautiful. So, may the revolution be with you.
Bread Republic.